Welcome to the instructions video for the Gauge R&R Measurement Interactive Calculator. This powerful quality control tool helps you analyze measurement system variation by separating equipment repeatability from operator reproducibility, ensuring your measurements are reliable and consistent. To use this calculator, start by entering the study parameters at the top. Input the number of operators who will take measurements, typically 2 or 3. Then, enter the number of parts being measured in your study and the number of trials or repeated measurements each operator performs. Next, enter the individual measurement values for each operator, part, and trial combination in the data table. You can also input your tolerance or specification width if you want results expressed as a percentage of tolerance. Once all data is entered, the calculator will compute the equipment variation showing repeatability, appraiser variation showing reproducibility between operators, total gauge R and R percentage, and the number of distinct categories your measurement system can reliably detect. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.